Siguro po,
Hi.
sa experience po talaga niya makukuha yung mga sagot niya.
Yes. Sorry.
Although meron akong
Excuse
mga
me.
tips sa kanya, pero feeling ko iba yung path namin dalawa. And kahit parehas man ang goal, feeling ko iba pa rin yung magiging experience niya sa na-experience ko. So like, magpakatatag lang siya and just go for it. Like, mag-enjoy sa mga training kasi sobrang hirap po talaga mag-prepare and sobrang hirap din manalo. Hindi po talaga madaling proseso yung gusto niyang tahahakin. And ganun din po sa nangyari sa akin. And I'm really grateful na hindi ako bumitaw and nagtuloy-tuloy po ako.
Lord, good afternoon. Thank you very much for that very nice question. Gymnastics Association of the Philippines has big plans for gymnastics. We have want to go to the LA 2028 Olympics with the team, and he will be leading the team. Of course, the team is composed of 4 athletes and 1 reserve. So we really have to train these other 3 so that we can win as a team. And he wants to win the gold medal for all around. When he says all around, that means the 6 apparatus, and that's very, very difficult. So he'll be training very hard. I just pray that he doesn't get injured, because once you get injured, it's very difficult. So that's our prayer, that he doesn't get injured. And we have big plans. We're gonna get a lot of coaches from other places, and we're going to be sending him to training camps all over, wherever is like England and Korea and Japan and all those places. And that's when they get more experience. So your money will go a long way, sir. The money.